This is the Ghana mechanic. There's a Hyundai Santafe, and I'm going to change the starter motor. I'm going to replace the starter motor. Yes, I got this from eBay. I'm not quite sure the price. I don't remember the price. Yeah, so let's start with taking out the lockers. So it is located under the air intake manifold. So I'll need to take all this apart and then take out the air input manifold, and then I can get to the starter motor. Yes, so let's get to it. Okay, so I have this out. Here goes to the throttle body. Okay, so I think I've loosened all the bolts. Now I can take out the throttle body. The inlet manifold. Let me see. Okay, there's one more connector down here that I need to take out, but okay, so now I have the inlet manifold out. Yes, you can see there's debris all over here. I'll try and clean all the debris here before I put it back in. Yes, so now that the manifold is out, this is the starter motor. Yes, I'll need to remove it. It has both on this side and one here. Once I take it out, and then that's it here. So let's get to that. Yeah. Yes, so this is the old one. This is not the actual original one. This is for Hyundai Sonata. I couldn't get a replacement, so I used this temporary. So you'd notice this is much different. Yes, there's a lot of difference in this. Yes, this is an OEM. This is not. Yes, so let's put this away, and then let's put this in here. Okay, so put before I do, let me clean the area. Okay. So start fixing the manifold back. Put the manifold, put the throttle body, put the cooling system, connect wires, and then I'll start it. Yeah, so yeah. I'm gonna start with just turning the battery, and then the things will start. Yes. So we sucked all the water in. Now I'll cover it. And then I'll turn the key. Now let's see if it starts. Everything is set. Starter works perfect. No check engine light, no nothing. So yeah, it's perfect. Everything It's perfect.